My name is Paulina. You may have known my sister, Frederica. She was a star reporter at the station. I mean, not that I'm complaining too much, because now I get to be the star reporter. Okay, sorry, getting off task. She was recently diagnosed with valley girlism. We don't know where that came from. It's horrible. Very rare. I still remember her last name, her last words of, "I'm not even food." It was heartbreaking.
Right before she was slaughtered.
Right before she was slaughtered and chopped into tiny bits by the Refrigerator Massacre-er. Oh yeah! Massacre-er. I'm sorry, I'm really devastated. Can you just leave me to my